Day 4. I really didn't do anything today, just cleaned up a little. Yeah, I think under this tree we're gonna build our tent. But that may be on Thursday or Friday. But yeah. Right, doggos. Oh yeah, here we go. Right, off we go. On the road again. Here we are. About to work today. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, did I mention it was my birthday today? Here's our workplace. What are we doing here, Mum?
We're just clearing the species so we can plant before we go back. John is harvesting now. We have to pick up all these, so it's easy to
Plant the Taro.
plant.
Are those all already planted?
Yeah, these ones. Go down there.
I'll go later. But yeah, that's us.
Yeah.
Alright, we're just gonna go see John. John is harvesting, so he's picking, I think. So what are we doing here, John?
I'm harvesting the taros to preserve because it's gonna be rot in maybe 3 weeks time.
So we harvest it now.
Yeah.
Hour and a half later. Our hard work. Our bonfires. Oh, finally we are done. John having some snack. Mum just relaxing. And there's our piles. Sun's coming out now. We're off home. Half a day's work. What a Taro in here. Bye bye plantation. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh yeah. Well, unfortunate. That is June 6th. Everyone's sick. Everyone's got COVID except for me and Mum. So here we're at Feces. Cooler. I think I came here 10 years ago. It's crazy. Nice house. But yeah. We are still on the way to Swanson, the supermarket. Easy day. But yeah, here we are in Mutalau. Mum, this is your...
Yes, this is the beginning of Mutalau, my village. Our village.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this on the way to your primary school?
This is see those rotten houses, that roofs?
Yeah.
That's the school.
Oh, they're not open anymore.
No.
Is there a new school now?
No.
Just not enough people.
Not enough people, and then nobody look after it.
Everyone moved to...
Yeah, and everybody fights over the land. Yeah, that's our high school.
So this is your old school?
Yeah, that's the old school.
I wonder if anyone will rebuild it. Probably not, eh?
See, and they try to do projects here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this greenhouse.
Yeah.
That's what they try to do, but I think it doesn't really work because nobody look after it. That's all the school.
Okay.
Yep. So we go back this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are dragon fruit.
Oh. Well, someone's looking after the lawn.
Yeah.
Must be the
Oh,
owner.
not the council.
Oh, yeah.
But the guy, the house across the road,
Yeah.
all this belongs to that guy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's bananas and he's okay.
Yeah, we are on the road. change of plan. Decided to put up the tent. Let's go. She looks pretty cool. Baby, you see no cats in here. It's just one tent for one, so it's gonna be me. Wait to get my cards.
You just splash it. Since I see the card, I didn't.